I was giving a presentation at a cancer conference, and I wanted to explain a little bit more deeply about how cells really worked. Because, everybody knows, yeah, let's eat more vegetables. But do you know why? That's the key. Do you know why you're eating those vegetables? Because they have the nutrients in them that allows them to help the body to protect every cell and function properly. Look at these 10 categories. Antioxidants, aerobic enhancers, communication enhancers, detoxifiers, DNA repair, mitochondria enhancers, promoting cancer cell death, inhibit new blood vessels, dissolve tumor membranes, enhance hormones. The cell needs all these nutrients to do all 10 of these things. And look at underneath each one. See this, aerobic enhancers? That means more oxygen to the cell. And look at the things that do that. Chromium, riboflavin, niacin. So certain nutrients allow the cell to protect itself in a very unique and special way. Get down to communication enhancers. Look at D, a communication enhancer. It tells the other cells something's going wrong. We need to correct this problem. So it's a communicator. It's facilitating the communication between these trillions of cells that we have in our body. Detoxifiers. Take the toxins away, please. But if you don't have enough probiotics and enzymes and things like calcium deglucarate, the toxins store up in your body. They store up in your cells. And they start that deterioration process that I explained to you earlier. DNA repair. There's only one juice. There's only one juice that can actually repair DNA damage. Pomegranate. Now, if you're really smart, today on the way home, you'll stop and buy pure pomegranate, not the sugary kind, the pure pomegranate juice, and include this in your future. Because even when you have chromosome splits caused by radiation or mercury, this pomegranate has the ability to fuse those chromosomes back together again to repair that damage that was done. No other juice can do that. No other juice. Mitochondria, look at that. CoQ10 helps those mitochondria to function better, but so does B1 and lipoic acid and D-ribose and L-carnitine. Also helps the mitochondria to function. If the mitochondria are sick or weak, your cells cannot function. So if you're not taking CoQ10, if you're not eating the foods with these nutrients in it, then you're going to have a problem eventually, because the mitochondria are key. Promote cancer death. We all produce about 60 cancer cells every day. Did you know that? Yeah. The process of a cell dying and being replaced by another cell is not perfect. And so millions of cells go through that process every day. And there's always a few that say, I think I'll become cancerous. But the body is very good at protecting itself and has ways of getting those cancer cells out of the body. And the foods that help to do that are seaweed, spices like curcumin. How many people take curcumin? Curcumin. Curcumin from the spice turmeric. All right, turmeric, right? You take that. Did you know that the Indian population has 90% less cancer than the American population because of spices like turmeric and curcumin that they eat all the time? So what does curcumin do? And turmeric? It surrounds the cancer cells like a wagon train and doesn't let them metastasize. Lets the body then concentrate on killing it where it is. That's the unique role of curcumin. It's also one of the greatest anti-inflammatories that we know. So if you have any inflammation in your body, curcumin is a fantastic anti-inflammatory. So pay attention to curcumin. Inhibit new blood vessel growth. You know the cancer cells need new blood vessels to grow. They reach out, little tentacles, little roots, and so they can grow bigger and stronger. Look at that vitamin that prevents that. Vitamin D3 again. Prevents cancer cells from getting new blood vessels so that they can get more nutrients in for them to grow.